back with another Celebrations Ultra Premium Collection unboxing. These are still going for about $1,000 right now. They're up and down. Yeah, they went up to about $1,200, but they've cooled off for a bit. Sitting right around a $1,000 mark as of this video. Let's open this up. See what I am gonna speed through a lot of this stuff because I have so many other Celebrations UPC videos, especially if you guys want to just see what accessories and promos it comes with and everything. Snubbull, Suicune, and a Houndoom V. Nice, beautiful full art card. All right. Oh, here we go. We got a Blastoise. Nice. Zamazenta V as well. Nice. Start off our Celebrations packs with a Blastoise. Beautiful. All right. Groudon. Nothing in that pack as well. Oh, here we go. So we got a Zekrom. Nice. Also got a flying Pikachu. Professor's Research. Nothing really in that pack. Oh, got a Dark Gyarados. Nice. Beautiful. That's the celebrations code. That'll go very quick. And nothing in that pack. Mew. Nothing in that pack. That Mew, believe it or not, that Hollow Mew goes for about $600 in a PSA 10. Pretty difficult to get it in a PSA 10. I'll let you know that, but $600. Wow, we got a Mewtwo. Another Pikachu. Beautiful Mewtwo EX. That Pikachu also goes for a hefty amount in a PSA 10, which is unbelievable because those cards used to be like 50 cents. Flying Pikachu V. Groudon. Nothing near. Professor's Research. Oh, we got to pull a Charizard. That's what we want. Got the Blastoise. How about we pull a Charizard and Venusaur? And Flying Pikachu again. And Surfing Pikachu and Groudon again. Pikachu once again. Nothing in that pack. Final pack, last pack magic. Let's pull a Charizard or Venusaur. Come on. Oh, Lugia. Oh, Luxray. And a Pikachu. Nice. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one.